Hi, how are you? So today, guess what came in, guys? My Tata pajamas! I'm so excited to open them. I've been waiting for them for like about a week. So yeah, let's get started, shall we? Alright, so this is the packaging. These aren't like real BT21 official pajamas, but they honestly look really nice. Like the packaging is so nice. And it looks pretty high quality, yeah. It looks pretty nice. So let's open it. Ooh, it has like a little zipper. That's nice. Yeah, I got them on eBay for like 25 bucks, which was pretty cheap compared to other prices I saw before ordering them on eBay. So here are the pajamas. Ooh, it feels really nice. Let's see. Oh, look, it has glitter. That's cute. See what I tell you? Even the packaging is cute. Whoa, these look pretty big. Well, we're gonna try them on right now, so. Oh no, they're actually pretty good. As I said, this is really good fabric. And look at their Tata. Aww. And this is the shirt. Oh, it's so cute. I'm so excited to wear this, guys. Oh my gosh. Oh, wait. Okay. I see something. I knew it was too good to be true. It's okay. Oh. It's okay. It still looks pretty nice. I mean, you can't really tell. It looks like it's part of the design. But other than that, everything seems pretty good. Yeah, it's pretty cute. So I am going to go try these on, and we will be right back. So this is how they look. Yeah, just ignore this big white line right here. Other than that, they look pretty well good. Oh my goodness. I love them. I love them so much. And here's my accessory. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I just wanted to show you my Tata pajamas. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and now I'm gonna go order some cookie pajamas. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. Make sure to like this video and subscribe for more videos coming soon to Kids Life. And we'll all see you next time. Bye-bye.